Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. Thanks for hanging out with us on another one, man. The B16 is still in here, and the ZC, well, it's over here, but I've been working on getting that thing cleaned up. Try this. I've got the ZC over here and a stack of parts to put on it. I've got the timing belt, the water pump. Gonna get that all set up. Well, that was a little challenging, but I think we got it. Check it out. I got the marks lined up. You can see I kind of got them highlighted in some white there, and they are plain on the head going straight across right there. And if you look way down there, there is a little lower there. There is a line on the crank right there, and behind on the oil pump, there is a little arrow, and those appear to be lined up. So I think we could all agree that that is pretty much gonna be in time. Now that it's in time, it's well on its way. Just gotta put on the covers, and then this motor will be ready to go into this car, but of course, that B16 is still in there, man. I gotta get it out.
Yeah. I come and go like a rah rah round. They don't want the two be going on. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mold like I'm running from the popo. Yeah. Remember when we did it for life? Was noticing all these frames got me trimming the knife. Always on some new thing like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being.
That's everything on the top of this motor. I still gotta get underneath there and get the shift linkage and the axles out. So I'm gonna get under there and do that real quick, and then this motor will be on the way out.
When I was young, I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements, I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality, you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. All these women trying to write me. I get the message now, I know they wanna wife me. And not to mention all the bruises, I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a round. They don't want the two be going nah.
Well, there it is. That's the B16 out of the car. After all that work, we got everything to get it put in and got it put in, and we saw the smoke. Yeah, what a mess that was. Got to get the ZC put in. I've got it pretty much prepped and ready to go. We saw you put the timing belt, the water pump, and all that stuff is on. Got it cleaned up. Just got to get it put into this engine bay now, and we'll probably save that for the next episode. So I guess until we see you on the next one, stay mad. Like always, thanks for watching.
I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking.
Get over this cold. All right, let me try one more time. And we're gonna go and smile